Right, to set the time and dates on the key fob, what you first need to do is remove the key part from the fob, which simply pulls away. Once you've done that, you'll be able to insert the USB into the key fob and the other side into your Windows computer. I'm just going to do that now. Right, so if your computer is set like mine, then the folder will pop up automatically. If it didn't, then at the bottom of Windows there's a folder icon. You can click on this and go to this PC, and then it will show up as a drive. In my case, rather, it shows up as drive E. It might be slightly different for you, but if you double click on it, you should see there the record folder. Right, don't go into the record folder, just stop there. And what we need to do is create a text document. So if you right click anywhere in this white space, say new, and then in this list here, you should see text document. Right, we've got to change the name to set time. So SET space TIME. Press enter. You can't see that .txt, then don't worry about it. Some computers are set so you can. Some are set so you can't, like so. As long as it's called set space time, then that's fine. Right, if you open up that now, and what we need to do is enter in the time and date in the following order. So it's the year first, so it's 2023, then a full stop. Then it's the month, so it's January at the moment, so 01. And then the day, so that's 27. Okay, and space. And now we're just entering the time. Now you need to be aware that this will be the time when we start recording. So if we put it like a minute in advance, that's probably the best thing to do. So if you put 12, and then it's the, let me just double check on the instructions. Yeah, it's the colon symbol. This. I put 59, and then again a colon. And this is for the seconds. You can't be that accurate, so I always put 00. The time should be in 24-hour time, so if it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it'd be 15, for example. So we're just going to save that now. I should be able to close it, and that will save it to the device itself. If I unplug it now, let's give it a few seconds to power down, and I'm going to start recording. Okay, I'm just going to record for a few seconds. And then hopefully it's got something, so I'm going to plug it back in. Go to record. And you see the first one was made before I set the time and date. And see the second one was done after. So it's got 2023, 01, 27, and 12:59 and 2 seconds. That's when it started. You'll also see it's here as well, date modified, as long as you've got this showing. If we double click, okay, so that plays the recording. Now, if you haven't got this showing here, which gives you the time and date, you can alter that. So if you, believe right click, and you just want to make sure it says date modified is ticked. So if you haven't got that ticked, for example, it'll be like this. If I right click on these, and you say either date created or date modified, and that'll have the correct time and date for you. So that's how to set the time and dates on the key fob.